In this lesson, we continue to work with the verb to be in German, sein. And in our last few lessons, you learned how to say I am, ich bin, you are, the informal you, du bist, he is, ist, she is, sie ist, notice it's the lowercase s. And we are going to learn how to say it is. So we'll introduce the new subject pronoun it in this lesson. So it is, in German, is es ist. Es ist. Es means it, and ist is the is. Es ist. It is. Es ist. It is. Es ist. Es ist. It is. Es ist. It is. Es ist. Big. Groß. Groß. Big. Groß. Big. Groß. Big. Groß. It is big or it's big. Es ist groß. So if you're describing something and you don't know what the object is, you don't know the name for it, you can just use es ist and then the adjective groß, if it's big, whatever it is. Es ist groß. It is big. Es ist groß. It's big. Es ist groß. Okay, so let's review a little bit and throw in some new vocabulary. To be, sein, it is, es ist, big, groß. Small or little is klein, klein, klein. Old, alt, alt. New, neu, neu. Fast, schnell, schnell. So if you want to say it is big, you would say es ist groß. So again, you're describing something that you don't know quite what it is, but you can describe it with an adjective. If you're looking at something and it's small, you can say it is small. In German, that would be es ist klein. Es ist klein. It's old. Es ist alt. It's new. Es ist neu. It's fast. Es ist schnell. Okay, well that's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Bis bald.